Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device, Android versus iPhone, and backup contacts now so you can undo changes. Once backed up, unlock the phone and go straight to Settings. Open Security, Lock Screen, or Emergency Info, depending on your OS. You do this because emergency numbers can be stored in multiple places: contacts, medical ID, or carrier-level settings. Begin by checking contacts and the emergency or medical ID panel. Those are the most common storage locations. Now remove the 112 entry where it appears. On iPhone, open Health Medical ID Edit, then remove emergency contacts and disable Show when locked. On Android, open Contacts or the Emergency Info app, edit emergency contacts, and delete the 112 entry. Also check the lock screen settings. Make sure to check both the Contacts app and any dedicated emergency or ICE group. Removing all instances prevents fallback dialing from different system components. Finish by verifying. Lock the phone and open the emergency call screen to confirm 112 no longer appears. Once done, restart the device to clear caches and recheck. If 112 still shows, check SIM or carrier voicemail/override settings because some carriers bind emergency routing. Make sure to contact your carrier if you cannot remove it. They can explain carrier-level overrides. If needed, restore your backup and repeat edits carefully, or seek device-specific support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.